Are you having problems with .NET Excel not locating the Policy 11.0 Microsoft Office Interop Excel DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. To start our guide for Policy 11.0 Microsoft Office Interop Excel, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the Policy 11.0 Microsoft Office Interop Excel. This assembly serves as a compatibility bridge for Office 2003, version 11. It manages the localized redirection logic required for legacy 32-bit automation scripts to successfully interface with modern Excel environments. It handles the mapping of managed.NET method calls to the unmanaged COM entry points of the Excel object model. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. Policy 11.0 Microsoft Office Interop Excel is required by .NET/Excel to run correctly. Reinstalling the latest official version of .NET/Excel ensures all required application DLLs are restored. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Policy 11.0 Microsoft Office Interop Excel file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install Policy 11.0 Microsoft Office Interop Excel DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. The link below provides access to a professional maintenance resource for reviewing Policy 11.0 Microsoft Office Interop Excel-related system data. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Policy 11.0 Microsoft Office Interop Excel and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.